The photography world is buzzing again, and this time, it's all eyes on Sony's highly anticipated A7V, the next evolution in its iconic Alpha series of full-frame hybrid mirrorless cameras. After months of speculation, hints, and subtle leaks, an official Indonesian regulatory listing has essentially confirmed that Sony is preparing to drop a major new release, potentially as early as the first quarter of 2025. Whether you're a professional, videographer, a content creator, or just a serious hobbyist, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most compelling releases in the mirrorless market in years, with rumors pointing to 4K 1 to OFPS video, AI-enhanced autofocus, and a new 4MP full-frame sensor. It looks like Sony is pulling out all the stops to solidify its dominance in the hybrid camera world. Let's break down everything we know so far about the Sony A7V based on certification filings, leaks, insider information, and educated speculation. What is the Sony A7V? The Sony A7V is expected to be the 5th-generation model in the A7 line, a lineup renowned for combining professional-grade image quality with compact mirrorless form factors. While the Sony A7R series focuses on ultra-high resolution, the A7S series has traditionally been the go-to for low-light and video shooters. The A7 line, also called the vanilla A7, strikes a balance between photography performance and video capabilities, making it ideal for hybrid creators, with the A7IV already earning rave reviews for its versatility. Expectations for the A7V are sky-high, and Sony appears ready to deliver. Indonesian regulatory listing confirms new model on June 2025 certification radar. Sony quietly submitted a new camera model WW277-6 to the Indonesian SDPPI regulatory database, a move that usually precedes official product launches within a few months. While the filing doesn't list the name A7V outright, the model number fits squarely in line with Sony's Alpha naming convention, especially those in the full-frame lineup. Here's why this model is almost certainly the A7V. The A7R4 and A7CR have already launched recently and are not due for upgrades. Rumors indicate the A7S line may be discontinued, especially with Sony pushing FX series cinema cameras. That leaves the standard A7 lineup as the most logical recipient of this new model number. Sony A7V release date. When will it launch? Most industry sources and leakers, including whispers from dealers in Japan, suggest that the Sony A7V could launch as early as March or April 2025, with a high chance of being officially unveiled or shortly after CP 2025, Japan's premier photography and imaging trade show. Given Sony's historical launch patterns, teasers and press invites might drop in late February. Full announcement by March 2025. Retail availability by April or early May, depending on global supply chain factors. Sony A7V key specs lead. Let's go through the most anticipated and rumored specifications for the A7V. New 4MP full-frame sensor. Only of the headline upgrades is expected to be a new 44-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, an improvement over the 33MP sensor found in the A7IV. This bump in resolution, without compromising speed, suggests a stacked sensor architecture that enables faster readout times. This new sensor will likely support enhanced dynamic range emitter, rolling shutter control, improved low-light performance, cleaner high ISO images. For K1 to OFPS internal video, arguably the most hyped leak is support for 4K recording at 120 frames per second, which would make the A7V one of the most affordable full-frame cameras, capable of super slow-motion video and ultra-high quality. This puts the A7V in direct competition with more expensive cinema cameras, especially for YouTubers, indie filmmakers, and wedding videographers. Advanced AI autofocus system. Sony has already set the bar with AI-enhanced subject tracking, and the A7V is expected to push even further. We're hearing rumors of AI-trained real-time autofocus, enhanced animal and bird eye detection, vehicle and drone tracking, smarter focus bracketing for macro shooters. These next-gen AF system may even be powered by a dedicated AI processing chip, separate from the standard image processor. Video and content creation, a cinematic beast if you're a content creator, filmmaker, or YouTuber. The Sony A7V may be the hybrid mirrorless camera you've been waiting for. Here's why. 10-bit for the 222. Internal recording GOLI and long GOP compression options. S-Cinetone and S-Log3 profilus newly improved heat dissipation system, possibly unlimited recording with no overheatings, and rumors even suggest support for ProRes raw output over HDMI, though that may be limited to external recorders like the Atomos Ninja series. This camera is shaping up to be a compact cinema-ready workhorse without requiring a rigged-out body or cage. Still photography upgrades. While the A7V will clearly be a beast for video, Let's not forget its core photography strengths, improved in-body image stabilization IBIS, possibly up to 8 stops continuous burst shooting at up to 12 to 15 FPS. Even with the higher ray sensor native ISO for better low-light performance and creative styles, and JPEG engine for better color science straight out of camera improved sensor coding, for reduced ghosting and flaring plus, rumors suggest faster buffer clearance, meaning sports and wildlife shooters can capture longer bursts without hitting memory bottlenecks. Processor and performance. Meet the Bionz XR2. The A7V is likely to ship with an upgraded Bionz XR to image processor, or at least an enhanced version of the current Bionz XR chip. Benefits include faster boot and buffer times, more power-efficient performance, serial time focus area, calculation input, noise reduction, and color rendering. This processing power will also drive the new autofocus system and possibly support real-time lens aberration correction, especially for legacy lenses. Connectivity and ports. Connectivity and media support matter more than ever for hybrid shooters. Here's what the A7V might offer: dual CF Express Type A, plus UHS to SD card slots, full-size HDMI ports, C3.2 Gen to headphone and mic jacks, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5, 3 FTP transfer, and cloud sync options. Creators can expect real-time tethering, streaming, and fast image transfers, especially important for event and commercial shooters on deadline. Design changes and ergonomics. Sony isn't expected to reinvent the wheel with the A7V's exterior, but there are whispers of some ergonomic refinements: larger grip with deeper holder design, joystick, and AF-on button placement, new weather sealing improvements, possibly a passive cooling vent. Like on the A7 SE, expect the same form factor compatibility with most existing accessories like cages, mounts, and batteries. MPFZ100. Pricing strategy: premium, but competitivist on current A7IV pricing and industry estimates. Here's what we expect. Base price $2,499. Sony might maintain the same launch price as the A7 IV, possibly with a bundled kit lens or creator package. Expect deals on older models like the A7 III and A7 IV to make room. This would place the A7V in the affordable hybrid camera segment, perfectly situated between high-end APS-C models and pricier cinema or flagship bodies like the A9 III. Sony A7V versus competition 2025. Here's how the A7V might stack up against rivals launching in 2025. Features: Sony A7V Canon R6 marked, Nikon Z6E sensor 4 for MPFF2 for MPFF3 3MP Video for K1 to OFPS. For K60 FPS 6 KRAWEXT.AF system AI enhanced dual pixel to hybrid AF IBIS 7 to 8 stops 6 stops. Price $2,499 $2,499 $1,300. Sony clearly wins in resolution, frame rate, and AI integration, giving it a strong edge in hybrid use cases. AI and computational photography. We're entering an era where machine learning and camera hardware are fully merging. Sony is already experimenting with AI subject recognition models, background removal, and object tracking focus prediction based on eye movements and optimized color grading. The A7V may feature the most advanced computational engine Sony has ever put into a full-frame mirrorless body. What this means for photographers and filmmakers. For photographers, the A7V represents the best of both worlds: higher resolution than the A7i, faster frame rates than the A7RV, AI focus tech from the A9 Lina. For filmmakers and creators, no need to choose between an FX series body and a photo-first camera access to slow-motion 4K and pro-level color profile, slight white form with pro-level toolset. Sony's true do everything camera, perfect for hybrid creators in 2025 and beyond. Final thoughts: the year of the hybrid revolution. Sony A7V could define the next phase of mirrorless evolution. It's more than just an upgrade, it's a shift toward intelligent, high-powered imaging that delivers cinematic video, sharp stills, and unmatched autofocus. 2025 is shaping up to be a battleground year for camera giants. Canon, Nikon, System, and Fujifilm are all preparing their next-gen launches, but Sony looks ready to dominate the headlines once again.